to the channel, guys. My name's Audi and today is all about dry ice blasting on this Audi RS6. For those of you who don't know what dry ice blasting is basically the best clean the underside of a vehicle can have prior to new treatment. This car is kind of the perfect timing to kind of do it on. So from manufacturer, when you buy a brand new car, what happens is they do treat the underside of the vehicle. A lot of the time they're using kind of a wax oil based product, but they've got some layer of protection underneath the vehicle. What happens over time and use of a vehicle is that basically will degrade. Obviously, you've got to imagine how much impact is happening underneath the vehicle, speed bumps when you bump over them, or stone chips as you're going along, or just general crap that's on the road will be hitting that underside of the vehicle, eating away at that protection layer. And that's the reason why they put the protection layer in there, because they know that is obviously a very, very common impact point on a vehicle. However, a lot of people consider detailing a vehicle, they look at the cosmetic side of things on the paintwork and the interior, for example, which is really important as well in terms of preserving the machine that it is. But the underside of a vehicle and also engine bay can also be something that is always pretty much forgotten. It's not something that needs to be done nearly as much as, say, the cosmetic side of things in terms of paintwork. However, the dry ice detailing basically is loads and loads and loads of micro pellets of dry ice firing at the underside of that vehicle, clearing away not only the original protection, whatever's left of it, but also cleaning down to a really, really clean, nice surface. And in essence, then the protection then comes in. Process actually is, I normally base it over around about a week. So on the Monday morning, what happens is the vehicle will come in, it will have its first initial inspections and then the first wash stage. In essence, the following day, we then start the dry ice blasting process and protection process. So that's on the Tuesday and Wednesday, and it goes through that process to basically have a deep clean on that underside of that vehicle. Then it's basically left to dry. So inside controlled environment, it is then set, and then it's set for the next Thursday and Friday, and then Friday, where we're filming today's video, that is then its final wash and then prep work, just going through, getting everything back together on the vehicle and getting it ready for the client handover. But overall, a really, really special moment on this car because it has taken part in that dry ice blasting process with ourselves. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about what the best solution for your vehicle is, feel free to check out our website. We've got a load of different information on there, but also you can reach out to us, come by, see us, and we can discuss your projects with you, whether it's midway through restoration or it's just something you want to do for your car to treat it correctly. And also it's kind of like a service on the vehicle. In essence, you're protecting the underside of the vehicle, something that gets looked over so many times after you go through the process of detailing the outside of the car, but have you thought about that underside? And that is where this sort of protection and this sort of service comes in. It's really, really important. Not only is it a nice thing to do for the machine because it will prolong the life of the car, but also having the documentation of that, as we will document for our client, the before shots and after shots showing the correction that's been done on that underside is really, really important for the car's record, especially when you're dealing with vehicles like this. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and you're interested in having the work carried out with ourselves. Feel free to reach out. See you on the next one.